Get ready to embark on a virtual journey to paradise as we explore the enchanting Sandals Halcyon Beach in Saint Lucia. This luxurious Caribbean retreat is a haven for couples seeking romance, relaxation, and unforgettable memories. So grab your imaginary sunscreen and let's dive into this tropical oasis. Nestled along the pristine shores of Saint Lucia, Sandals Halcyon Beach is an intimate, low-rise resort that perfectly blends French Caribbean charm with modern luxury. As you approach the property, you'll be greeted by lush tropical gardens and the gentle sound of waves lapping against the amber sand beach. The resort's architecture, featuring exposed stone walls and white shuttered windows, seamlessly integrates with the natural surroundings, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Let's start our tour by exploring the accommodations at Sandals Halcyon Beach. The resort offers a variety of room types to suit different preferences and budgets. For those seeking the ultimate in luxury and privacy, the Rondoval cottages are a must-see. These unique circular structures draw inspiration from Saint Lucia's volcanic landscape, incorporating deep wooden tones and lush green accents. Step inside, and you'll find yourself in a world of indulgence, complete with a tranquility soaking tub, a secluded plunge pool, and an outdoor shower. It's like having your own private oasis within paradise. If you're dreaming of waking up to breathtaking ocean views, the oceanfront butler suites might be just what you're looking for. These luxurious accommodations come with personalized butler service, ensuring that your every whim is catered to. Imagine sipping your morning coffee on your private terrace as the Caribbean sea stretches out before you. Now that's what we call starting the day right. For those who can't get enough of the beach, the beachfront shore houses offer the perfect solution. These stunning accommodations feature private pool sanctuaries, allowing you to enjoy a refreshing dip without ever leaving your room. Talk about living the high life. No matter which room type you choose, you can expect a range of modern amenities to enhance your stay. From air conditioning to keep you cool in the tropical heat to flat-screen TVs for those lazy evenings in, Sandals Halcyon Beach has thought of everything. And let's not forget the all-important Wi-Fi, because even in paradise, sometimes you need to share a jealousy-inducing selfie or two with your friends back home. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any vacation, the food. Sandals Halcyon Beach doesn't disappoint when it comes to dining options. With 6 restaurants and 7 bars, you'll never go hungry or thirsty during your stay. The culinary offerings range from island favorites to global flavors, ensuring there's something to satisfy every palate. One standout dining experience is the resort's overwater restaurant. Imagine savoring a delicious meal as the gentle waves lap beneath you. It's like dining on a floating oasis. For seafood lovers, the local catch of the day is a must-try, prepared with Caribbean flair and bursting with fresh flavors. If you're in the mood for a romantic dinner, why not book a table at one of the resort's specialty restaurants? From Italian cuisine to Asian fusion, there's a world of flavors to explore. And for those nights when you're feeling a bit more casual, grab a bite at one of the beachside grills, where you can enjoy your meal with your toes in the sand. Don't forget to check out the themed nights and live music events at the restaurants and bars. It's the perfect opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture and maybe even show off your dance moves. No judgment here. What happens in Saint Lucia stays in Saint Lucia. Now let's dive into one of the resort's most impressive features, the pools. Sandals Halcyon Beach boasts 3 primary pools, each with its own unique charm. The crown jewel is the Crystal Lagoon Pool, which stretches an impressive 1,039 feet, making it the longest pool in the Caribbean. It's so long, you might want to pack your snorkel just to explore it all. For a more intimate setting, head to the Honeymoon Hideaway Pool or the Sunset Pool. Both of these gems feature swim-up bars, so you can enjoy a refreshing cocktail without ever leaving the water. It's like having your own personal bartender in the middle of a tropical paradise. Now that's what we call luxury. If you prefer salt water to chlorine, the resort's amber sand beach is calling your name. Stretching for approximately 1,039 feet, it's the perfect spot for a romantic stroll or a refreshing swim. And for the more adventurous types, sea kayaking is available for those who want to explore the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean. When it comes to activities, Sandals Halcyon Beach has plenty to keep you entertained. While the resort doesn't have its own spa, guests can access the spa facilities at a sister resort nearby. Imagine indulging in a couple's massage in an outdoor gazebo, with a gentle sea breeze and the sound of waves as your backdrop. It's relaxation taken to a whole new level. For fitness enthusiasts, the resort offers access to a fully equipped gym at a sister property. So you can keep up with your workout routine while on vacation, or you could just consider all that swimming and beach walking as your daily exercise. We won't judge if you choose the latter. One of the unique aspects of Sandals Halcyon Beach is its adults-only policy. This means you can enjoy a peaceful, romantic getaway without the pitter-patter of little feet or the splashing of kids in the pool. It's the perfect setting for honeymooners or couples looking to rekindle their romance. When it comes to entertainment, the resort doesn't disappoint. From live music performances to themed nights, there's always something happening. Whether you want to dance the night away under the stars or enjoy a quiet evening with a tropical cocktail, the choice is yours. For those who want to explore beyond the resort, Saint Lucia offers a wealth of attractions. The nearby town of Castries is worth a visit for its local markets and historical sites. Nature lovers shouldn't miss the chance to hike Gros Piton, one of the island's iconic volcanic peaks. And for a truly unique experience, take a trip to the Sulphur Springs, where you can soak in therapeutic mud baths and feel your stress melt away. Now let's talk about what really sets Sandals Halcyon Beach apart from other resorts. Its intimate setting creates a cozy, romantic atmosphere that's hard to find in larger properties. The longest pool in the Caribbean is certainly a bragging point, and the overwater restaurant adds a touch of exotic luxury to your dining experience. The resort's commitment to personalized service is evident in every aspect of your stay. From the attentive staff to the butler service in higher-tier suites, you'll feel like royalty from the moment you arrive. And let's not forget the beautiful French Caribbean architecture that blends seamlessly with the lush tropical surroundings. It's like stepping into a postcard-perfect scene. While Sandals Halcyon Beach doesn't have extensive conference facilities, it does offer intimate spaces for small gatherings or destination weddings. Imagine exchanging vows with the Caribbean Sea as your backdrop. It's the stuff of dreams. Guest experiences at Sandals Halcyon Beach are often filled with magical moments. One couple shared how their butler surprised them with a candlelit dinner on the beach, complete with their favorite wine and a personalized menu. Another guest raved about the staff remembering their coffee preferences after just one day. Talk about attention to detail. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning potential areas for improvement. Some guests have noted the lack of an on-site spa as a drawback. However, with spa facilities available at a sister resort, this is more of a minor inconvenience than a deal breaker. In conclusion, Sandals Halcyon Beach offers a slice of paradise for couples seeking a romantic getaway. With its stunning location, luxurious accommodations, diverse dining options, and array of activities, it's a destination that ticks all the boxes for a dream Caribbean vacation. Whether you're lounging by the longest pool in the Caribbean, indulging in a gourmet meal over the water, or simply strolling hand in hand along the amber sand beach, you're sure to create memories that will last a lifetime. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.